Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's start off by drawing a line that curves down and to the left, with some bumps here on the snout that makes a sharp curve down like so. From there, draw a curve that goes up and to the right, followed by a line that comes down and slightly to the left for the mouth. For the jaw, draw a curved line going back and out like so, then curves up and stops. At the corner of the mouth, draw a short curve here, followed by two jagged lines along the mouth for the teeth. From the top of the head, draw a line that dips slightly to finish the head shape, then makes a large bump down for the back of the neck, and an even larger bump going down and to the right for the back. Next, have the line curve back up for the tail. To draw the tiny arms, start with two short curves here, followed by two small curves at the end for the claws. Then, some lines that go back up along the arm ending here. For the rest of the body, start here at the jaw and curve down and to the right, bulging out a bit for the belly. And don't forget to draw another arm here on the other side. T-Rexes have big strong legs to carry their huge bodies. So, for the legs, start by drawing a big curve here for the thigh, that angles here for the knee. Draw the back of the leg with a smaller curve here that angles downward over here. For the foot, draw a line going down and to the left like so, and add a sharp talon at the end, and another, and another. From there, connect back to this line here to finish off the leg. Next, continue the belly on the other side of the arm and stop it at the first leg. For the leg on the other side, we can copy the same lines we did for the first. A big curve for the thigh that angles for the knee, a line going down and to the left for the foot, three sharp talons at the bottom, and a line going up for the back of the foot. Now we can draw a long curve that goes up and ends at the tip here for the tail. Lastly, we can add some details on the head. Start by drawing a short angled line like so for the brow. Then, draw a dot for the eye, followed by a small curve just to the right. Draw a small vertical oval at the front of the snout for the nostril, and then three small curves on top of the snout to make it look like it's snarled. Lastly, a short line here that angles at the end to make it look even angrier. And now you've got a Tyrannosaurus Rex.